In this video you will learn how to generate and login using Google Backup Codes. So, let's get started with this tutorial. Most of us have two-step verification turned on in our Google account. But such a situation may arise when our mobile phone is turned off or physically inaccessible or not having network coverage. And at the same time we need to log in to our Gmail or other Google apps in an unknown or public device. So, the question is whether Google provides any solution for such practical problems. The answer of your question is Backup Codes. Google provides you 10 codes in advance, which you can use for login in your Gmail or Google account in future. These codes are as good as the code you get on your mobile phone via text message or phone call. These codes are not provided by default. You need to generate them yourself by following these simple steps. To generate backup codes, you need to be logged in your Google account. You can see I am already logged in. Now I will click the Manage Your Google Account button. Google Account Home is now opened. Click Security on side menu. Scroll down and go to Two-Step Verification. You can see two-step verification is already on. We need to click it. Enter Google account password and click Next. Two-step verification page is now opened. We will now scroll down to go to Backup Code setting. Click Backup Codes. Re-authenticate by entering Google account password and click Next. Click Get Backup Codes button to generate 10 codes for your account. Now you can see 10 backup codes on your screen. You can print them or download the text file. You can delete the codes if they are no longer required. You can also generate new codes by discarding the current ones. Now I will download these codes and log out from my Google account so that I can log in again using one of these codes. Codes are in this text file. Now logging out. Let's try to open Gmail account. As I am signed out, hence I will need to log in again. Now I will enter my password as usual. As two-step verification is turned on clicking Next I will be asked to enter the Google code sent to the registered mobile phone. Now assume that I don't have access of my mobile phone and I can't enter the 6-digit verification code sent by Google. Let's copy one of the backup code from the downloaded file and try to log in. I pasted the backup code in the verification code input and clicked Next. But, we got an error. Let's try to understand it. The error message clearly says that we have entered the 8-digit backup code instead of 6-digit verification code. Actually, we need to click Try Another Way button. On clicking it we will see an option to enter digit backup code. Click it. Now we can enter any one of the 8-digit backup code here and click Next. And you can see that our Gmail account is opened with two-step verification but without usage of text message sent by Google on the registered phone. Now let's go to the backup code setting again and see whether the code I just used is omitted from the codes list or not. You can see one code is used. In this video we saw how to generate and use backup code for two-step verification for Google. If you generate backup codes then keep the codes confidential so that anybody can't misuse them. You can destroy these codes immediately as I shown earlier if you feel that your login password and / or backup codes are leaked. Thanks for watching.